Alright, so I decided I'm gonna start doing very random first impressions of certain products. This is my first video of the Avid Power impact wrench, which I bought to take tires off my car. So you can kind of see like the quality of the bag is not the best. This isn't DeWalt or Bosch or anything like that. And you probably watched this video because you don't know anything about Avid. Well, I'm here to tell you that it does work. I have never used the more expensive options because I'm not going to be taking my tires off every day of the week. But yes, this is just showing kind of what it comes with and what is in the bag. You can see that it looks pretty normal right at the box, and it does come with 4 sets of lug whatever screws, I guess. And it has these straps which are really randomly placed, but I just use one of them to hold the impact wrench in place. So this is just me showing you guys what it comes with. They're actually pretty high quality, and one of them could fit on my car, which is 17 mm, although the units are in inches. And this is just me, taking a look at the actual gun. It's built pretty solidly. There's no real surprise there. It looks like it works well. It takes less than 2 hours to charge, and yeah, it also has this thing that you can use to tell what the battery percentage is. So you kind of just hold it down and it tells you, if it's full, half full, or kind of empty. So yeah, I'm just going over and just turn around and seeing, getting a feel for what it looks like. So it does have a variable trigger, as you can kind of see. It's not too fancy. Forward, backwards, lock, and variable speed trigger. Alright, so this is just me doing a quick demo of taking the lug nut off. This wheel was specifically over torqued. I had just got it replaced yesterday, which is why it's shining. And you're gonna see it actually takes, I basically couldn't take it off. So I had to use the torque wrench on the bottom right, but for some reason this one worked, and yeah, so that is it in action. Obviously it doesn't work too well, otherwise it would have taken away the over torqued lug nuts, but it works well enough for stuff that is appropriately torqued down. So my final verdict, I guess, is, if you're like me, you own a garage in your house and you don't care too much about taking your wheels off every weekend or every single day, then this does the job as long as you're not over torquing your bolts. If you're more serious, but you're just trying to save money, I'm not sure if this is kind of what you want to buy. You're better off, buying a more established brand, because you do get what you pay for.